Hi there, as you can see, it's raining like cats and dogs out here. I was just out here in the rain, man, but somebody took me a video shot. I think I have it, man. I was recording it on the VHS tape when I was in the rain, man.
You like to see the rain coming inside?
Yeah.
Still?
No, just the windows open. That's all I saw. No drips. I was there for a while to grab my stuff.
So I fixed it then, huh?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's not. You'll figure the way you want to see it is when you open it up after it's done.
Yeah.
And see everything's wet or something.
Man, get it all.
Taller.
Look! There's a bug! He was right there on the slide.
Hey, she got scared, dude.
Why?
I don't know. What bird?
He went right there, Joey, on the slide.
Look at the
So Air Jordan's
clouds.
not going to go down?
No, I don't think so. Well, the car was gone, so I don't know about now. No, come.
Ora fa dolce. I have to take a free shower, dude.
Yeah.
I need sabone. See. See.
Look at the clouds, man. Stay right here. It's raining over here.
I want to go.
Just come over here and enjoy the view. Duh.
So if he had in there,
Oh shit, man! You scared me, dude.
okay, let's go. Hey, you know what?
Oh my god! Look at that rain over there. Come on, Avanola, you're gonna get wet, man.
Come on. Let's go outside.
Santa Maria. Look at it from over here. Man, it's windy out here. It's very windy out here.
Go